Hey, hi, my name is Vishakha and today we are here again for another book review named The One Thing by Gale Killer. All know Modi by One Thing Politics, and Mercy Ronaldo is only popular for their football playing, and Sachin Tendulkar is for popular for his cricket. And that like as there are so many companies and so many people are there in the world who are popular by their one thing. So by observing all these things, the owner of most realistic company of USA, Galley Killer, and chairman of his company, Joy Papasan, written a book named The One Thing about this concept. Observed that so many companies nowadays are popular and successful by their only one thing experience, and all the successful people knows what is the time value, and they focus on one thing at a particular time. And all successful people knows that have how much time in this one life, and that particular lifetime we can't be do so many things at a particular time, so we have to concentrate on only one. We have not that much time to learn everything, so we have to learn one thing in which we are having to be expert and going to be success. Know that in this competition market, we have to learn one particular thing which makes us success. No, Mark Zuckerberg, which is most famous, best entrepreneur in the world, and he only focus on one thing, the Facebook. And look, Facebook makes him fifth rank richest people in this world. And do you know what is your one thing? So if your answer is no, so let's have some methods to knowing your one thing. So the first one is understand the domino effect. A single domino have that much potential that he can drop another domino of 50% larger than him. And if we only starts with a 2-inch domino and situated is a geometric progression, so by dropping that 2-inch domino, then the 18th serial, the domino dropping is the height as the same as the height of the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and the 23rd domino was as the height of Eiffel Tower, and the 59th position of the domino is as much the height of the distance between the earth and moon. Really? Is it? Yeah, it is. And by all this, author here advises that by dropping small domino today, we can achieve two large things in future. Use domino effect as to achieve your goals. Such like if your goal is to read 2000 books, so you set that goal, and your first term short term goal is to start with a paragraph, and it is done by today. In conclusion of domino effect, divide your goals as small as possible. It makes you easier to finish that all on time. Divide your goal in small things and start doing your goals one by one, because success is built in sequential. For that, think an example. Like if you want to become a billionaire, then you have to become a multi-millionaire, and for multi-millionaire you have to become a millionaire. And learning part 2 is multitasking is lie. So multitasking is neither effective nor efficient. So avoid multitasking, and do focus on only one thing with all your mind and heart, with all your concentration. Gives you one benefit also. By this, you can finish your work at a limited time, at a particular time which you want. Number 3, willpower is limited. So willpower, our willpower is as same as our cell phone. As like us, that same thing, our willpower is that much charged in morning time and decreases up to evening time. So must try to do all your important things on morning time, because at evening time you have not that much energy and that much willpower to do that. As example, when we need electricity to charge our cell phones. To charge our willpower, we need good thoughts, good books and good motivational video. Gives us power and that much energy to do again the next thing in that best way. The fourth one and the most important point, that convert the to-do list into one thing. Maximum people in this world makes the to-do list, but the intelligent people apply one thing in that to-do list, 80-20 principle. So that our 80% result is depends on our 20% work. So make that list and apply that 80-20 principle. You just got the success list, and that 4 or 5 items you have to apply another time. You again apply 80-20 principle on that success list, and that point you got the one thing, the most important thing for that time. So no matter what your list is so much lengthy or large, by this principle you can narrow that list and it really works. So for that you have to ask you one question every time, every day, that what's the one thing I can do such that by doing it everything else be easier for me. If you are starting your work with this question, then it makes your quality and effectiveness of your work will improve by the time of by the particular time. Thank you so much for watching my video, and stay tuned with me for the next video. Thank you.